Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome to my channel, Life's a Project. So guys, do you remember this video when I installed this garden hose quick connector set to my front yard outdoor faucet? That was in August 2019, close to 2 years ago. And in that video, I mentioned I would keep you updated and I would let you know how this product worked out for me. So that's what I want to share with you today. So guys, here it is. I haven't done a single thing to it. It still works great. It does not leak. And would I purchase it again? Absolutely. I've actually already purchased a few. Back in March 2020, I installed one in the faucet in my backyard. I also purchased one to give away to a family member as a gift, and as far as I know, theirs still works just fine as well. And I also purchased one to do a giveaway contest. So guys, keep on watching this video so you'll know how to enter for your chance to win this quick connector set. Now it does look a little faded from the sun, you can see, compared to the new one, but it works just fine. Let me show you. So I don't see or feel any water, so I can't see that it's leaking. So let me show you the one in the backyard faucet. So again, just looking around, I don't see any drips of water coming out, no leaks, and when I feel with my hand, I don't feel any water coming out. So after a year of being back here, it still works great. So now I'm going to use my sprayer and show you that there is water in the water hose. So when I turn off the water, I always make sure that I keep that sprayer going so it clears out the line, decreases that pressure, because if not, it can make it difficult to disconnect the male part from the female part. So that was so much easier to disconnect instead of doing it a different way, keeping that water pressure in the water hose. So when you keep the pressure in the line, it just shoots the water out, making a mess. So you can see why I like to use a quick connector set, because I don't keep my water hose attached. I keep it on a hose reel, and then I can just wheel it out, use the water hose, connect it, disconnect it when I'm done, and wheel it back in. So guys, I'm not saying that this quick connector set is the best one out there. I've seen other ones that are made of better materials, but they do cost more money. So for me, in my opinion, I've tried this product. It's worked for me just fine, especially for the close to $7 that I paid for this at Lowe's. So I think it's a good deal in my opinion. So guys, if you would like to enter the giveaway contest for your chance to win this garden hose quick connector set, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then just leave a comment down in the comment section below. So guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, place those down in the comment section below. You can follow me on social media. Don't forget to check out my links in the video description, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.